Today we're checking out this tailgate mat for the 2019 and newer Ram 1500s. If your tailgate is getting scratched up from tools, lumber, coolers, or those weekend projects, this is a simple way to protect the surface, cut down on sliding, and make loading and unloading a little bit easier. The key feature here is going to start with this perfect custom fit mat that covers the full tailgate so it looks clean and stays put at the same time. It helps stop dents and chips, gives you a grippier surface so stuff doesn't skate around, and it wipes clean with a hose, and it's really easy to wash off. Folks add a tailgate mat like this when the paint is wearing thin, the stock surface is a little bit too slick for their needs, or they just want a tougher work surface for daily use. This one plays nice with most bed mats and tonneau covers, so you can keep your setup simple without weird overlaps or gaps. The kit includes what you need to mount it, including this bag of hardware, and once it's on, the tailgate is a lot friendlier for sitting, kneeling, or sliding cargo. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a very heavy-duty, thick rubber-style material that's thick, durable, and built to handle hot summers and cold winters without cracking or getting faded over time. This face has a light texture on it, and it is extra grippy. The edges are cut to match that tailgate shape, and the backing is made to work with the included hardware so that it stays secure without rattling out over time. It's tough enough for tools and muddy boots, but still flexible so that it lays flat and looks tidy. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the $100 price range. For a direct fit tailgate mat that protects, adds some grip, and makes cleaning easier, it's sitting at a pretty solid price point in my opinion. So when it comes to the install on this one's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 30 minutes or less of your time. Now let's check out exactly how this goes with a quick install video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
So today we're installing the Westing bed mat tailgate mat, 50-62565, and then 2020 Dodge Ram pickup. And it brings the hardware right here. I'm going to be using the T30. I'm going to use number 23 drill bit to do some pilot holes in the bottom. And it should be a pretty straightforward installation. I'm going to use a power tool, but you can do it by hand if you have a T30 screwdriver. Anyway, here's how we do it. The first thing to do is you're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll line up the tailgate mat. It brings some hardware, but for the top I'm going to use, I don't know if I'm going to use these. Let me see what I got. Oh, there we go. We line it up to the factory T30 right there. I'm not going to tighten it down yet. And then we go to the next one. At this, there, make sure you don't cross thread it. There it goes, and now we're lining it up, and looks pretty good. Crank it down over here. Okay, and now for the hardware, the rest of the hardware. Now you could get a metal sealer or like to touch it up before you put in where the holes go. But I don't think that's gonna be a problem with rust. And these are Phillips, so we'll take my Phillips bit, switch it over, make it easier on me. I think I might make the pilot hole a little bit bigger, actually. Too small, so I'm going a little bit. So I might have changed. My drill bit was a little bit too small, so I went with a 30 instead. And so we're gonna put these guys on. You could also use adhesive to glue it on if you don't want to drill holes, but I think this is a better way.
All right, well that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the tailgate mat for the 2019 and newer Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.